Alright, so this is my new to me truck I got. Got it a week or so ago out in Michigan. And you find out what people have done to it once you start going over it and what their work quality was. So this truck's got a few issues. They had turn signals and stuff wouldn't work, so I got a new multifunction switch and it still doesn't work. I have no turn signals, no hazard lights. Headlights work, thank goodness. It's on a different switch. This is for the lights, and if you notice, those wires have burnt. They've touched before. That's enough to burn the truck down if you're not careful. The cab quad doors don't open. The top, I was fiddling with this 2 days ago. Got the door skin taken off, and it's the bottom latch down here that's rusted. Watched a few videos on how to get that undone, but most of those videos were the prop rod was off, or the top, they fixed something with the top, or the cable in the latch was off or amiss, and I haven't seen any videos that deals with rusted, the mechanism being rusted. I gently kicked down here a few times. I don't want to kick the crap out of it. My other truck that this is replacing, the whole door just opened and left the lock mechanism stuck to the post on the bottom, and the door just ripped right off. What else? I redid this one has a rear pull plow, so the couplers were rusted shut. These barrels didn't spin, and tried to get the plow off and to bring this thing home. So the Westerns for the front, and then this is the hydraulics for the rear. So I had to sawzall through that and burn through 2 batteries to get 3 of the 4 fittings off. Thank goodness we were able to pound them off because we did it out at the storage unit. Yeah, this guy used Romex for bringing the power to the back. Used jumper cables for the power to the front. I mean, this truck has been hillbilly rigged something fierce. Instead of fixing it right, well, yeah, took a 6-hour trip back home. Hood won't latch all the way down. So it's got the V10. So this is pretty freaking janky. This one is, people, when you do electric cables or power leads, the cable sheathing goes inside this terminal here, not like this hack and whack. My God. The other thing, he got in the middle of a storm and the multifunction switch or whatever went bad, so this is the wipers. So plug it in like that and you got wipers. Unreal. So this is probably their bottom of the barrel truck, you know, the crappiest truck in their fleet. So they didn't spend the time or money to fix much of anything on it. It needs exhaust, of course. It's got, hold on, 2 cherry bombs that just dump right there. It kind of sounds like crap. So that's a crossover, and then from the passenger side, and this is the pipe from the sorry, this is from the passenger side. This one's a crossover from the driver's side. Hack welded into 2 cherry bombs, so I'm going to get a 2-into-1 and run a big truck or RV muffler to quiet it down a little bit. Also, if you can see over there, freaking janky. The gas tank is held on by ratchet straps, and not even the good ones. They're the Harbor Freight ones. See if I can zoom in on that. There we go. Yeah. 34 gallon, which is probably at least 200 pounds. I'm not sure off the top of my head what the conversion is. A gallon's like 8 pounds. So 30 times 8, 200, about 260 pounds being held on by a couple ratchet straps. Hello, kitty. Got a rear main leak on the axle. It's leaking out the seal there just in front of the drive shaft. I want to try and get it undercoated with like spray oil, so it will be somewhat rust proof, so the rust doesn't get any worse. Let me show you one more here. Where is it? Yeah, there's the ratchet strap. Love it. Where did it go? Oh yeah, there it is. There's the jumper cables. Just wires everywhere. What possesses people? I have no idea what half of this crap is. So I gotta figure out and undo half of what this guy did. Oh, the gas neck doesn't even go up to the door. Well, we kind of shoved it in there. I go to put gas in there, and there's just a big hole. There's no tube. And as rusty as these are, yeah, we're gonna have to buy a new filler neck. That is just dying to leak fuel all over the place. Drilled holes in the bed, or the cab. The wires are gonna rub and get the plastic coating rubbed off. Man, this dude was a half-wit. Started asking him questions about mechanical stuff. He's like, huh? He didn't even know half of what this truck did. So that's where we're at. She's got issues. We're trying to get everything ready to go. Oh yeah, this wonderful thing here. This is the light bar. Just kind of a one inch square. Kind of sitting in there. That's what that switch goes to. It lights up these, and that thing barely. Nighttime, it'll barely light up this tarp back here. And that's supposed to be a light bar from, God, it looks like from the 80s, late 80s. So I'm going to check the wiring and redo a lot of it. I'm going to put a real LED light bar up there, about a 12 inch, that'd be plenty. And then these I'm going to maybe put on the side to aim down here. I could put them on the bumper, because this lighting up the bed does nothing. I need to see out here. So mud flaps, there's mud flaps on it, but they're not as wide as the tire, so you're still going to get slop on the fenders and make rust holes like that. So I'll get this thing fixed up. I'll keep the pull plow on it for this season because it's already October, and I have no ambition to totally rip this off and put it on a different truck, which I don't have yet. Oh yeah, the framework for the pull plow here and here on both sides are rusted, so that's going to have to be fortified with some angle iron, cover up the rust holes. So this is my truck. gotta get busy and fix what that guy slacked off on, so you don't burn to the ground. So there you go.